morning and welcome to Obed TV here on YouTube. And I don't pay share my bonra. Say the Kumasi Asante Kotoko Adako Jache project. The dear Kosono Jedi Bebro Nanona Jedi Ebro and I don't pay. Me catch us. We have a comprehensive video. I capture everything that is going on over there at Adako Jache Sports Complex. I would ask you to bear with me. It's a video. When you have share the whole video, dear mammy. Send you over to the Kosovo at the Quajach and over TSC because so kind of precopesana. I want her location crowd the end of Kosovo. So you take a video from the beginning and send a be rad the Quajach and your processing how they could do a year baby a project in Ankasel Koso so that you can get a better understanding. But before we go to the Quajach project, I'll kindly ask you to subscribe to the account, subscribe to this particular channel, so Obed TV. I won't say I trust subscribe because Kobe will say, we are good to go now. What turning on the notification bell so that anytime the video from Babetumbi and you will get it and you will enjoy the quality that we are bringing this particular channel. But let's go straight to the issues. Then, Kumasi Asante Kotoko brand here back home. Or justify the friend Julius Ofori Obesia can be edit future stars now nona winning penalty Edema Kumasi Asante Kotoko. And then right after the game he was a talk of time because clearly on Kotoko I tried so many players, about 3 players, almost three players on the number 9 position. I'm almost chance someone justifying him. Cameroon in India, he was striking from the wings. It's almost 4 players. Abdul Rahman Mohamed Bakoy, Kluche Bakoy from Cameroon, and a future stars, guys, Benjamin Opomo, Samuel Kwatemo, Bakoy, Papila, so Bakoy. So your catch Kotoko is still in search of a striker. Na in TSM a new player back camp and it's a kwasiada Osiakan editia timwa your friend a future star. So on a Friday no kwanye training. Ye di ka de honsem ebre odada. Memene da no see from ye training change richer na enye asem ketwa. Enti enra kakra yetimi ageda about him no and I'm there to and before me kwa the Kwajachi project no so he's a former player of ASTRO, and he's a Kumasi boy. Was Siakama ASTRO the pain, and we Kumasi boy. Kumasi boy, and yes, or I'm a Kum boy to be precise. And he or more share I'm a Kum galas no, but Kukranity now so I'm a whole information. So I'm a Kum gala and anytime be a mobile gala Kumasi or Kumasi Biano or representative team a friend. I'm a Kum. Now from ASTRO no call Belarus, I no could see a kind of craft for about 2 years. And it's a waba kotoko campa, waba be justify. And then Diana coach a friend of Ogum, a friend of park and so a zig into me kaisa timer Mukwala and Bernard somewhere bano and no catch a zig said Mukwala be call the other side. Bernard somewhere so better the other side. Mukwala be call left. Sumabeda right, Jonusi Ginin fin. But in the course of the game, no one try no one switch it. Or share how he also operates from the left, how he operates from the right. And now to me say, a player from the body language, confidence, that is one thing that I can say about him. He's not shy of other strikers be a ball. By the way, he's not shy of dropping deep, picking the ball and engaging midfielders in build-up. For that, I will give him credit. From Enrami, Mikakra, Michelle, Babeje, na one more Boko. Excellent footwork, like I said. Confidence on the ball is okay. His general body language, actually will be or Jin Hoodie, Sabon winning ball. And Oba, what you say, he's ready to battle with defenders. And now, he won close to 3 fouls in the second half. There were other ones, so I referee and Germano. But generally, you say he makes defenders struggle before picking the ball from him. Kakana Khan was how he coordinates Then no name Kuala Nebena Sumwa coordinating. I open and ask more, but it's understandable. This is a player or joining team, no. When even a year, 1 week. So definitely his communication with the players will be a bit slow. But I know I send him kind of excellent first impression. In create because the game, I diaba about a brand friend a year, Julius Ofori you know, and Meji Atuanim. Now let's go to the Adakwaja project. Na yemfemu insem no emfa embrel. And right Adakwaja no we started from a year the beginning a year junction hop park na road na lead to Adakwaja Sports Complex. Your friend that Asante Kotoko FC Road. Asante Kotoko FC Road. Udru abon se esiwa directing to pick free hop. Because the construction of the road no will be done. Because a brought him so ko PM Asante Kotoko a year almost sports complex no na ohune say a kwan na de kono na ensheda enso ani kakra enti inyanentiese contractor no ebeji from the beginning of a year the field from the beginning of the road a kwan no obeji a de akwakosi a training complex or enti twa video ni nyina de trem say for now the contractor no wo nyam by MBA say adwuma no enti drew Adakwaja ache ho no ho ene edi video na aka no eto aso edemanti ho ne de me projective video no na me the voice na to achiri enti patcho pay attention to the voice because for you to understand what is going on in here enti no say me the video no mom eto soro kakraka na me voice no edasi. So like we've already shown you, this is the road leading to Adakwaja. For now, construction and started. Enti hana the speedy na to show you the road. Send you next time you call na changes about you can really appreciate the change. Into Adakwaja, there is the current state of Adakwaja. But the first thing I would do Adakwaja Obed and sana when near huni say Obed say machines here Juma. That one I will tell you. You can feel it from where Drew and no horn baby. I know more ya to one. What is a machine be here, Juma? Ewa see ho. To a one you do and now we heard that sound. And but we needed to take the video from the beginning from a see now because now you don't know the kind of changes are being. In so when you have a train free beginning now. 1 hour one you say would too many car baby out did now one she and that changes be a coso baby so for a straw there first thing you notice is penny for bed door on a fina a whole fukakra. Now this is the pitch I got Koye training. Now you will notice that Omejai pitch na maefu, which is very very necessary. And so we just pitch na maefu. Send your banner u traswa baby ankuto. In two times of major field number and it looks very, very green and very, very smooth. In Tiakas or Mobano will be trusted there. Now, Medjumedino, etime, I start sending up first a funo. They say a fu, must I see no matter where you hunina. Na ye naman you could set machine. Esiwa machine no, say, ye dear ye juma enche. Ye dear jube be enche cra. So we saw this machine. And that got me curious that okay, sound now me it means that work is ongoing. Ewa Adakwaja timi ko jina ho twa kakra, etwa amfoni kakra dum say machine bulls are power out them say. We hear a tiles now, the ties now to say the adwuma. So for the Dr. KK Sapon's project there, yen kon ho anya untutum say anwe nyina wo machine ase. And this is the container project. Nana amponsan ye. Ya dohu nyina ya locking no. Ya locking obia entimi enkoho. So we were still working around trying to see say be a stroha changes bia babia and we still realize that a stroha no changes bia by. So we needed to go down. Na ya kwa ase ho akwa baby aye ti de free no. What exactly is going on there? To waste your hostel na omusi no. For now ye nye ne hwe eno so esi ho. Nti hana ni twa pitch na mo pitch ni yi sene mpanifo agya pitch no money green grass for na ka something guys or pitch ni bo so gya na ma enu afu nti uba na oba betutu nra na frim na watwa so kama nti unzo mba betwa so kama ba ma do ho no nti first na ho na funu tum say edges of the pitch no emfui. But from this time no udu asia na wokwa, then you can start appreciating baby a wuti dede na free any machine na hu ne first no what exactly is going on there. Nti ye ben ha na hu say ahase afudie but asia ho no baby ana Kotoko Asante Kotoko second pitch ne da no ye dwi ho just a pitch no the place is no longer green. First no na esoro ha green asia ha suntum se ye fencing ya je ho ena obehu se ye de ka ne se grass ewo ho a eho so nka baby a coaches bench dugout ni nyina ni obehu ne kama. Nti eduru ase on, then we saw another machine adwuma chese enusu edwi. Then we started recording out mu say mema be nsia eka de otwi machine no ho a wo mo adwuma out mu so madwi green ni nyina e de free the old pitch no so omadwi ni nyina omugusu a omu edwi a omu san trim. What you realize that enye so omu dwi keke but omu dwi asan trim first nka baby a pole na no si no utum so omaba eye park no to omapia green ni nyina akogu a omaba mu. Then we saw this machine and eye adwuma sound na meka say ura adakwaja achi sound na wote ne first no ye twimpe eye machine ko hu say edwi park no so intuitive say abranti we na oma driver ni instruction say ombiem na omundwinko because omundwinko the other side no ondwinko because adwuma no so at this time na or pointed direction ma driver on how obedwi ade no so nti we ne de na esi form ti ehwiri soro si form to really appreciate what is going on. Ayetwa ase ha nyina timzo ma do ha nyina ne nchenkchen ni nyina wo mo etritri mu aha. So we decided to do our investigations and we started asking questions to know say what will happen ebema a grass pitch. Ye dwi grass pitch so ye dwi so asan be another grass pitch and I see ba be den. We needed to do those investigations. Na eno na ye kohwehwe mu no ye hu ne say na grass pitch na any good standing. Na there were minor issues with the grass pitch. So architects ne buy on them can just assess the various projects na ekoso adakwaja to know what to do and recommendations are assessed womodema empanimfo. Na no no determine say if Kotoko wants to construct an ASTRO there between the two pitches the dasro and the dasie hono. It appears that they should sacrifice their dasieho na omonfa enumum construct the ASTRO because it looks like their dasro hono ahoden eno osoro echen their da asieho no. That was first information mimi nyae the hane de onti ye dwuba bia and it's a very big one. Park no omadua trim. So when constructing an ASTRO enkoye the kind of say ASTRO na first no yehunu wo community say bia nipa 11 kura ebo den no we ye kese ni bi nti won say manantie free the other side no about the other side of the pitch chese me kire wo the ekoso ewo ho no nti utum say we no matri mu pa it looks very big and minyanentie and I'll come and talk about all that. So this is what is going on currently at Adakwajachi. Until be a catch or session, cause Adakwajachi, that person is lying to you. There is a project that is going on, and a big one to be precise, which there is a promise latest by even a week. You be a difference. And handing out to me so trim pipes are not a what pitch na sinyana or may yinina, and that was what first machine no edi kan be ye. And a second machine yes no and also a juju so a level things. Nadia ni na omapia gu nchen. So this is what we recorded. And ye try a chire haso no kakra and describe the old pitch na amwa hu de cause so is an ASTRO and a impenning for eba be ye ewo adakwaja achi. So from
Be next year elkono. So ukwa adakwa jache, you see a natural pitch and also an ASTRO ewo ho. Na nkomo na aka no afei na meba abechire mutinya abotre na enjoy ya aka. Now kakra ebetimi de aka video ya yeyi hu aya chechire mu nyina na yese Asante Kotoko eba be construct what we call an ASTRO na Asante Kotoko ebe ye no de menya ntie a medi hu nkomo na yese ASTRO no for now no after say video na wa share wie no de mpanifo be aka ho ne park no madwisu awie no contractor ni din Benak. That was what our information I'm picking contractor ni din Benak. They are based in Accra. I'm still doing research about Benak Construction Limited. I know any dem in Sakai. Now omo ye ASTRO e de Kotoko with stands. Now I'm nyantie stands ni bitimi from 3,000 to 5,000 capacity stands. Ewo eye adakwaja achi. Intermediate me 5,000 ASTRO stands. And a protocol be ASTRO pitch with stands. Na unwe video na we share we na madwisu na wie na. Amo ba be ya de friend failing. Also park no madwisu de but in tokru de baby to be failing by Wednesday. No my failing na wie. Omo ye failing we are. Omo be compressing. Enti de di kan no machine na e roller no so beba. Na ba be roll field na so send ye be compress it into omo de enya be gusu afele but na compress and ba be fa so compress na hu ni say there is no air kwan bi and the air in space bi and the park no so and it is extremely level omo wie compressing na which omo ka chem say no dey a very complex kakra because one shade the year na one the year bon say ASTRO no betia baby no na say on mem kakra. So the compression is a very, very important stage. After the compression, no, what they will do again is what we call chippings. The chippings baby gusu nyina. Enti ukọ ehia ASTRO na we ehia na anya ne sena mpanimfo nko obiem na. Utumi so mo compress you no the chippings be gu so na aka de enti chipping stage na madu ehia ama adwuma na ka ho. Enti after compressing no, after failing compressing, from compressing na move to what we call chippings. No, the chippings na babu so. So maybe say I say how long can this project take? And I assure me say it won't take long. Maximum of 2 months. Bet me the field ne the so. The aka hono a stands na some building at the count plus the lighting system. Into a stands plus light ni nyina be da ho anadwo. Enti eno hono na bet me den a check akra. Enti on Wednesday, let's go back to Adakwajachi because on my minion yes me baho Wednesday me baho BMA. What I will see is that on my failing the air compressing. Now my papa share the coso ewo Adakwajachi. So a comprehensive video of what is happening with Adakwajachi and yeah the abro was Obed TV. Now me adu menumre bia kemu nyina no ye be san dia brem. Bye bye.